how to be successful, and get everything you want in life. So, you want to finally discover how to be successful? First, imagine where you'll honestly be in the next 5 years. Maybe on a beach, working remote while drinking your favorite cocktail or beer. Or maybe you'll be sitting on a couch, watching Netflix, and still dreaming. Your success lies in your hands. I could tell you all the things you need to do to be successful, and at first you'll probably do a couple of those things, but 6 months from now you'll be back to your current routine. Success in life is whatever you define it to be. Maybe for you, you want to determine how to be successful to achieve financial freedom or a flexible work schedule. Some may want to travel the world while others just want to pursue what they're passionate about. Being successful isn't necessarily about being rich or winning awards, it can be also about personal fulfillment. If you had to design your perfect day, what would it look like? Would you be sitting on a bench next to a lake writing your memoir? Do you imagine yourself climbing Mount Kilimanjaro and taking that big, deep breath once you get to the top? Or maybe you just want to spend an entire day playing with your kids? Why you want to learn how to be successful in life will be personal to you. Your partner, parents, and friends may have their own definition of success. But their definitions aren't for you. Whatever it is that'll make you feel fulfilled and happy is what you need to focus on while mastering the art of becoming a success. Most people obsess over how to be successful because we all want to feel like we matter. Without achieving any success, we might look back on our life disappointed by our lack of impact on the world. Striving to achieve a greater purpose is what keeps us fighting to survive and grow. While you might not become an international success, your life can still have an impact on others. The goal of achieving success will help you live a more purposeful life by pushing you to overcome obstacles, work a bit harder, and pursue happiness. Truth is, you'll probably never become successful. I'm not saying this to be a jerk, I'm saying it because the odds are stacked against you. On the bright side, it's never been easier to learn how to be successful. There's never been more millionaires in the world than there are today. Also, I'm kind of hoping that by telling you you'll never be successful that you'll think to yourself, man, this Nicole girl is kind of a jerk. I want to prove her wrong just so I can leave a nasty comment telling her a few months from now that she was so wrong about me. Do it. Prove me wrong. In my career, I've found having a chip on my shoulder and being angry at the world has resulted in me growing at a faster rate than everyone else. I like to pretend that I'm the biggest failure in the world with everything to prove. If someone doubts me, I do whatever it takes to prove them wrong. Like I always say, don't piss me off, because when I'm angry I'll always win. But truth is, I secretly love it when people diss me. What does it take to be successful? Nothing will motivate you better than a fuming rage deep inside you. So, here's your diss. You spend way too much time on unimportant tasks while pretending that you're researching or learning or finding motivation. But truth is, you're slacking. And you're never going to get your act together unless you start working. So, if you want to be able to pay your bills or travel the world, it's not going to happen if you never take that first step.